Olive Mary Osmond is a popular singer, actress, author, talk show host, and philanthropist from America. She is also the member of the show business family The Osmonds. She is best known for making the remark of the country pop song Paper Roses. Maybe you know about Mary Osmond Avery. Well, but do you know how old and tall is she and what is her net worth in 2021? If you do not know, we have prepared this article about details of Mary Osmond's short biography. Early life and biography. Mary Osmond was born on 13 October 1959 in Ogden, Utah, and she is the youngest child of Olive May and George Verrill Osmond. She was an active member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints when she was a child. She has 9 brothers whose names are Tom, Verl, Ellen, Wayne, Merrill, Jay, Donnie, and Jimmy Osmond. Her brothers are actively participating in the show business, performing live shows and television. Mary made her debut on the television screen when she played a part in her brother's act, The Osmond Brothers, on the show named The Andy Williams Show, at the age of 4. Personal life. Osmond in her lifetime married about 3 times, out of which 2 times she married the same man. She was also engaged once. In the year 1979, Mary got engaged of Jeff Carrington, who was an acting student. However, in July, her engagement was called off. In an interview, she said that the once dated Eric Estrada. On June 26, 1982, Mary married Stephen Lyle Garrett, who was a Brigham Young University basketball player. She gave birth to a son named Stephen James Carriage on April 20, 1983. The couple separated in the year 1985. Mary married Brian Blosil on October 28, 1986 in Utah. The couple had 2 children named Rachel Lauren and Matha Richard. The couple want to adopt 5 more children named Jessica Mary, Mitchell Varian, Brandon Varian, Brianna Patricia, and Abigail Olive May. The couple got divorced on March 30, 2007. Osmond then went to marry her first husband, Stephen Carriage, on May 4, 2011. Osmond confronted in public from starting that her oldest daughter, Jessica, is gay and has been living with her partner happily in Los Angeles. Mitchell Osama's son committed suicide by jumping off from the building in which he was staying in Los Angeles. He was an addict and suffered from depression. age, height and weight. Being born on 13 October 1959, Mary Osmond is 61 years old as of today's date, 7th October 2021. Her height is 1.65 meter tall and her weight is 54 kg in kilograms. Career. Osmond started her career as a solo artist in the year 1970 and soon became an idol as a teenager. She always had some love and passion for country music and not focusing to contemporary music during that time. Osmond went on to release her first single as a solo artist in the year 1973. That was named Paper Roses. Then she released another single titled In My Little Corner of the World in the year 1974 that entered the top 40 Billboard country music list. Osmond released her fourth studio album in the year 1977 that was named This Is the Way That I Feel. For the song Meet Me in Montana, she joined hands with Dan Seals and released her first debut. In the year 1985, the song was considered to be the number one hit across the country. Award and achievements. Throughout Osmond's career, she received many awards and nominations that include the nomination for Grammy Awards, Academy of Country Music Awards and Country Music Association Awards. She won the Country Music Association Awards of Vocal Due of the Year in the year 1987. Net worth and salary of Mary Osmond in 2021. As of October, Mary Osmond's net worth is estimated to be about $25 million. As she played many roles in a movie and released a couple of albums that remains as the best songs in the Billboard list. She called many to earn so much fortune and fame within a short duration of time. Mary Osmond's net worth is remarkable. With such an enormous amount of hard work and her passion for music, she not only managed to earn so much of wealth but also made it to the lists of remarkable artists born during her era. With so many upcoming projects, it will be interesting to see how she works towards to improve her wealth and name.